Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how we lay out a pattern on basswood. And I start out with either a cereal box. You can take the inside, either take your cereal box apart, and this is a great way of making patterns that's a little flexible but yet will last instead of doing it on paper. But also too, I recommend getting transferring paper. It's called Choco paper, and you can get it at your anywhere hobby store you go to, or Walmart, or wherever. But so now we have it here drawn out. We cut it out, and now we're going to trace it to the wood itself, and then we're going to jump over here to the bandsaw here in a minute and show you how we cut it out. And remember, always go with the grain vertical when you're putting on these patterns. And so always remember that there. All right, so let's lay out our pattern here and let's go get this done. And don't worry about the grain of the wood here. We're just going to go around the template and go in there, go around the chest, the bandana. And again, we're just doing the side profile, and that's all really I need on this particular project. And take it off and look at it and see we've got everything pretty well traced around it, as you can see there on the camera. And so let's jump over to the bandsaw and let's get this thing cut out and start carving on it here pretty soon. Before you start cutting your pattern out on the bandsaw, make sure that you have your ear protection and also your eye protection, because safety's first. And again, make sure that everything fits well around your ears and around your eyes here. And so we're going to get ready to start here and cut this piece out. Now we've got this cut out, and so this shows you here how we can cut out a side profile of a character. And later on in another video we'll start carving on this guy. But this gives you an idea of what it takes to get the piece cut out. And always again, make sure that you're going with the grain, and always make sure that, and it's just a lot easier carving for you. And always make sure you know which way the grain's going on your piece. And so next time, well, we'll catch you around, and thank you for watching today, and happy carving.